wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the best things that you can pick up from the Sephora brand. So like Sephora's makeup brand itself, not what you can pick up from the Sephora store. I feel like we don't really talk about it that so the Sephora makeup brand and the Ulta makeup brand, we don't really talk about that much. So if you guys want to know what you might want to pick up, let's go. So the first is probably the best foundation that they've launched. I've tried pretty much all of them. There was one I couldn't even finish the video, if you guys remember that, a couple years ago, because like I started breaking out in like some type of reaction to the foundation. But this Best Skin Forever foundation is the best thing for skin that Sephora has put out. Now they did recently come out with like a glowy version, which I haven't tried yet, but I have oily skin, so the matte version works just fine for me. They got a pump. Sephora, with Sephora prices, can give a pump. I'm gonna use the Best Skin Ever concealer. I know I was supposed to do a video on this. I got impatient because I was filming another video that had to go up first. So I just tried it with that foundation that I had on. I just filmed it in that video, but I didn't film like a specific like wear test type video. This is a really cute concealer. I've never tried it with the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. So I kind of wonder how that's supposed to go, because I would imagine it looks even better since it's from the same line. Did I say what shade it is? Listen, I'm getting so old. If I didn't say what shade it is, it's 53.5N. But I liked it. It had a good wear throughout the day. There was a little creasing, but at this point I have come to terms with, since the creases are there, it's going to crease. Some crease worse than others, but like if a little creasing is the only issue that I have, then I don't have a problem with the concealer. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw that on. Now their bronzer, I don't remember when they came out with this. It was recently. This is in the shade 06 Ibiza. Nice powder bronzer. I feel like, especially if you're using bronzer for adding warmth, you know how people go back and forth like, I want bronzer in this type of deeper or cooler shade, but you know like bronzer's supposed to add warmth to your face. I feel like it does that, and then when you use it with with contour, the contour adds, you know, like the angles and the harshness to your face. This is just cute little, especially if you're not using contour, just bring a little warmth back to your face. Rude. However, I feel like my face was looking a little warm anyway. That's the thing with like neutral-y shades. Like sometimes it gives a little, you might be a little on the redder side, but you're supposed to be a neutral shade. But it all comes together at the end. I feel like this doesn't get talked about much, but it's their makeup setting spray, 16-hour wear transfer proof. Not so much, you know, like oil control, but more so it's one of the setting sprays that you use so your face wears well throughout the day. So I don't like how it missed. You see that? You see how it like missed out like a, do you see that? I don't like that, but come on. There we go. And then, you know how I usually use like that Dior pressed powder? You know, we're going to use the Sephora Microsmooth. Now y'all have heard about this. And it's starting to make its rounds on TikTok, and it's just funny when you watch things that have like already had their trending moment on one app, have their trending moment on another one. But I'm gonna use this to just give my face like a once over again. And I use the shade 60 Deep. And the last thing that I have for you is this lip liner. This is Molasses. Yes, that's what this is called. It's a gel lip liner, bro. Okay. The hell? Maybe I won't be able to use it? No, really. Okay. Ugh. Bruh. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and that is it for my face today. Those are some of my favorite things you can get from Sephora. Now, I do know they have blushes that are similar to the bronzer that I showed. I never got the chance to pick any of them up, but I really heard they were good, so that might also be something that you want to check out. But other than that, yeah, out of the things that I've tried from Sephora over the years, those are the ones obviously that I kept. The ones that I would highly recommend, especially the lip liner. It's just like the perfect brown, especially for me, especially for someone who like my natural lip tone is dark. It's one of the best lip liners that I've come across for deeper complexions. The micro smoothing powder, like there's a reason why, you know, it had its run as like that trendy product on YouTube, and now it's having its run on TikTok, and it's going to continue with whatever app is existing 10 years from now, just because it is that good of a product. But like I was saying before, like I feel like in general Sephora's makeup brand is slept on. They make really good products, and even though it is a store like Sephora where, you know, you expect more expensive makeup brands to be sold there, compared to the other brands that they sell there, Sephora is a pretty, you know, reasonably priced makeup brand. And they're always having sales specifically on the Sephora brand, probably because people don't be checking for it like that. But definitely a brand to check out, and they're usually good. I was gonna say they're usually good when it comes to the shades that they put out there. You know, the foundation, stuff like that. Sometimes there are some, you know, questionable, but for the most part they're usually good with that. And they also have skincare, and the skincare is also pretty good as well. So if you know you needed to know some things you should check out, I hope this video helped. Let me know in the comments down below anything that you use from the brand that you really recommend. Let's help each other out, okay? Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.